Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to revise on our lesson, chapter 13, the urban local self government, that is in your pre annual portion. Now, let us start the first paragraph. Urban local self governing bodies. There is an instance given example in your book. Neeta, who lives in Kolkata, a large metropolitan city. Kolkata is a large metropolitan city. A metropolitan is a big and important city of a country, like Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai. There are many other big towns and cities in India. They are highly populated and have complex problems and requirements. Even towns and cities need good roads, proper means of traveling, communication, large hospitals, markets, schools, colleges, etc. Large funds are needed for their upkeep. Upkeep means maintenance. Maintenance of these fields like traveling, communication, roads, proper means of transport, and all. So, upkeep means maintenance. The local self governing bodies which look after the problems of urban areas are municipal corporation, municipalities, town area committees, cantonment boards, improvement trust, and port trust. Now we will study about these in the lesson now. What is municipal corporation? These are the local governing bodies of big cities such as Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. What is the composition of municipal corporation? The members of municipal corporation are directly elected by the adult citizens of that city. The mayor is the head of the municipal corporation. The mayor and the deputy mayor are elected by the members of the municipal corporation from among themselves. The mayor presides over the meetings of the corporation. He or she holds office for a term varying between 1 and 5 years. The corporation sets up number of committees to look after day-to-day work. A chief executive officer or municipal commissioner is appointed by the state government. He or she holds office for the term of 3 to 5 years. He or she supervises the working of municipal corporation. There are also a number of members called aldermen. They are usually elected from among the popular respected citizens of that city. Some seats are reserved for the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes, and few seats are also reserved for women. A municipal corporation is elected for a period of 5 years. Underline it, important. The total number of members depends on the population of that city. What is the function of the municipal corporation? The corporation performs compulsory and optional functions. Compulsory functions: public health and sanitation, establishment of hospitals, dispensaries, maternity and child welfare, and providing these type of fields facility with health, making arrangements for vaccination, inoculation to prevent the spread of dangerous diseases, clearing and disposal of garbage, cleaning roads, drains, and public toilets, keeping a check on the quality of food sold in the shops, markets, and restaurants. Water supply: the supply of safe drinking water, construction and maintenance of water and supply system, public works and services, maintenance of law and order, construction, the maintenance of law and order, and construction and maintenance of roads, bridges, public buildings, markets, crematoria, and graveyards, arrangements for street lighting, maintenance of the fire brigade, demolition of dangerous or illegal buildings, maintaining records of birth and death. So these are the fields which we have to study for our pre-annual. Okay, I hope so. You all are revising well. You will get today the related topics to revise from this lesson. Okay students, thank you.